Hello everyone, good morning. Ngayon ay March 31, 2021. So last day of the month of March. Bukas sa April na. So kumusta po kayong lahat? May fellow OFWs around the world. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Yung nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga. It's already 9:45 in the morning. Shout out to MSDC. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So as usual, we will check the PCI today. It's already started 9:30. The trading time is 9:30. So tingnan natin yung movement ni PCI today kung tumaas ba or nag-down pa si PCI kasi kahapon na PCI ay nag-down. So tingnan natin yung chart. So but before we proceed, this is only a disclaimer that there is no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position if you have shares of these companies. The purpose of this discussion is for educational purposes only, to study the support and resistance. So let's go to the chart. We'll check the PCI movement as of 9:47 in the morning. So the most active is DDMPR, is down by 1.25%. BSC, AP, MRC, LAN. So this is the most active. There are 10 companies most active, and there are 10 companies in the top gainers, and 10 also in the top losers as of 9:47 in the morning. So the top gainers here is IPO, 7.89 current price is up by 18.65%, followed by CE and LAN. And the top losers is RLT, 5.66% down, and Eagle 3%. So this is the PCI chart as of 9:48 in the morning. PCI is down by 0.31%. So we'll check the, if we see the previous price movement. So this area, this is a resistance area, this incline line. So there are 3 times now this area ay nahit ni PCI, and there's a rejection. So it means this is the strong resistant line for PCI. So last January, PCI is hitting this line, no? But again there is a rejection. So if we see current position of PCI, so when the price rejected on this line, PCI now is going downward, and the current position is in the below all exponential. So this line, this is the support. This line is the support line, this inclined support. There's a bounce here last March 22, and now he is still below the ME20, this blue line. So kailangan pa rin na ma-break ni PCI itong upper line of the channel. So this is my own personal point of view for PCI. I need to see if this inclined line of the channel ay ma-break ni PCI. But for now, kahapon ay nag-red po si PCI. So if ever PCI ay mag-red pa rin ngayon, we'll see if we will going back to this incline support, this line. But generally, PCI is still in a downtrend. So kung tingnan natin yung moving averages, exponential moving averages, madikit po yung mga moving averages dito. So mahirap po yan tagusin pag madikit yung moving averages. Unlike on this area here, na maluwang na yung lumuluwag yung moving averages. So my thoughts for PCI, I need PCI to break all these exponential moving averages and this incline resistant, this upper line of the channel. If ever ma-break na yan, then of course we need to watch this line here. This is the strong resistant line of PCI. So we need to focus first now PCI, but PCI current position, it is in a downtrend. So antay-antay lang tayo na umangat yung price. And on this incline line, the top line of the channel, and in the exponential moving averages. But take note that dapat mag-hold siya sa may inclined support, this line. If ever ma-break ito, then it's not good for PCI if ma-break niya itong inclined support. For me, so hindi po maganda pag ma-break yan. So ito lang muna tayo kung umangat ulit yung level ni PCI. Mas maganda kung aakyat siya sa may lahat ng exponential moving averages. So we'll see the one here converge in VRG. Hindi ko lang pas yung ni CNVRG converge. So this is the chart of HLCM. Still HLCM now in the resistant line. So kung itingnan natin dito yung current price ni HLCM, nandito po siya sa may EMA. So sa ilalim ng EMA 20 and the top line of the channel. Nandito siya sa may area na ito. So we need to see if there is a complete breakout of the top line of the channel. We will see the indicator. Now if you see RSI, RSI is below 50. So for me, hindi pa rin malakas yung ni HLCM. Kasi yung RSI is below 50. So we need to see another price movement kung mag-create ng pattern si HLCM. So downtrend pa rin si HLCM ngayon. The current price is 5.59 and the EMA 20 is 5.62. So we'll see if we will break this EMA 20, this blue line. Kung ma-break ni HLCM yan. So downtrend pa rin, no? So for me, the good area we need to watch is this area here. this horizontal resistant ni Olsen. Ito pa rin ang area na kailangan tingnan kung ma-break ito na area. So if it will continue going down, we don't know kung bababa pa si Olsen. So we need to say if there is accumulation in the bottom area, if ever he will go down. But if he will going up, this is the area I need to watch for Olsen, this horizontal resistance, this yellow line. So the MACD is still below the zero line. It is crossing the red line, but MACD is still below the zero line. So for me, I will wait another opportunity for Olsen. So I will not be aggressive for Olsen now unless if we will climb back above on this horizontal incline resistance or this all exponential averages. And I need to watch if there's a breakout of this horizontal resistance. But if ever he will go down, he will continue going down, we need to see if there is accumulation in the bottom area for Olsen. Another one, we'll see MAC. CMAC. Tingnan natin si thank you for so now currently as of 9:57 still PCI is red pa rin. So if you see MAC Croatia Corporation, MACD below zero line, and the EDX is above 25. So the momentum going down is mataas po yung momentum niya downward. Now nag-support naman siya dito sa may horizontal support, but for me this is not enough, no? It will draw incline resistant. Mag-draw tayo ng incline resistant ni macro. So kahit na ma-break ni MAC Croatia itong incline resistant, this line, mayroon pa rin mga exponential moving averages sa taas. So downtrend yung ni MAC Croatia ngayon kasi nasa baba ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So if ever there is a bounce for MAC Croatia going to this incline resistant, we will see kung ma-break ni MAC Croatia. But still, for me, hindi pa rin ako convinced sa current location in MAC Croatia. Unless I will going up again above all exponential moving averages. So masikip na yung mga moving averages dito sa may area na ito. So if in this area, if you see, hindi po niya ma-penetrate itong area kasi masikip na yung mga moving averages. So now, if ever he will going up to this incline resistance and then there's a pullback, this is a bearish pattern for MAC Croatia. So if you wish to buy MAC Croatia, hintayin-hintayin lang po tayo ng mga good opportunity for MAC Croatia. So we will not aggressive, no, because it is in a downtrend now. If you see the RSI is below the 50. So ganyan lang po yung wala pong masyadong momentum si MAC Croatia. So another one we'll see here, there's another from my friends, I just need to take the green. Si green, kabili po siya sa may pinaka-bottom area. But I want to see now the chart of green. So green as of 10 o'clock in the morning, nag-down po si green. So ngayon, kung tingnan natin yung price movement ni green, this is the inclined support ni green. Dito nag-hold po yung price. Now, first we need to see, tingnan po natin kung ano po yung current movement ng isang ni green, no? Saan po siya galing, no? He is coming from the uptrend. So now, kung tingnan natin dito, there's a possibility that green will going back to this area, this incline support. So there's a possibility that he will go and hit again on this line. So if ever this line have a break ni green, then this is not good for green because possible we will go back to this EMA 200, this green line. But there's a big possibility that green will going back to this incline support. So we need to see this incline support na hindi ma-break ni green. So if we see MACD is still above the zero line. If it's good, it's good if we will cross again, but the RSI is below 50. So mahina po yung saka yung ADX, it is below 25. But the current movement or price, if you see the candlestick for green, there's a possibility that he will hit, as I said, he will hit this incline support. So, tingnan lang natin kung if ever he will going back to this incline support, dapat hindi ma-break ni green. So, if he will climb back naman, kung tataas si green sa may on this area here, tataas si green, so we need to see this upper, this area here, kung ma-break ni green. So, yun lang po yung natin. Pero ngayon, yung momentum ni green ay kumina po, no? So we need to see this incline support na hindi ma-break ni green. But we don't know also if we will climb back. But for me, I will watch if this area here, this line, lagyan natin ng line. So ito pa rin yung area na titingnan natin if ever will climb going up, and there's a pattern created. If ever will possibility that the price will going back to this incline support. Another one here, Meralco. Tingnan natin yung price movement ni Meralco. Yung price movement ni Meralco, still wala pa rin bullish pattern ni Meralco. So ito pa rin area na dapat tingnan natin ni Meralco. This area. Ito pa rin ang tingnan natin ni Meralco kung ma-break ni Meralco. Yung area na ito. If ever Meralco will climb back, we will see, ito wala na ito eh. So if we see the incline support, resistance, This is the area. This is the resistance of Meralco. So if ever Meralco will break this incline resistance, then we need to watch this horizontal resistance ay ma-break ni Meralco. Kung mag-create siya ng pattern on this area. But for now, I will not be aggressive for Meralco also. So I need to wait if the price will hit again on this area. Para kasi kung mag-create siya ng pattern on this area, horizontal going sideways, so it's good for a Meralco. But for now, we need to watch this incline support kung ma-break. Ito yung muna tingnan natin. Kung ma-break yan, then we need to see the next price movement on this area. But as I said, this is the line. This is the horizontal resistance na tinitingnan ko ni Meralco if there is a breakout. So wala pa rin, no? Mahina yung mga movement ng ating mga stock ngayon. There is one shout out to MSTV Barbosa. Thank you for your support. To MH Edelhin. To my to Dilia Kakananta. Thank you very much. To my wife. Thank you. So, yan lang po yung market natin ngayon, no? Mahina pa rin yung market. We'll check one. We'll see this BSC. Tingnan natin yung price movement ni BSC. Ganun pa rin yung movement horizontal resistance. So, ganun pa rin yung movement. So, hindi pa rin na-break ni BSC. If ever ma-break ni BSC, possible, there's a possibility that he will climb back to this horizontal resistance line above. If ever, ma-break na itong horizontal resistance, this line. But if ever he will going back, this is the inclined support na dapat tingnan natin ni BSC. Na hindi ma-break ni BSC. If ever ma-break yan, of course, the price will going down. Maybe here in the ME 200, if ever this inclined support ay ma-break ni BSC. So for me, we will not be aggressive to buy if it is in the resistance area. Unless there's a breakout and there's a good volume, this is the time we need to see. So nasa resistance area po yung price ni BSC. So antayin lang po tayo ni BSC kung ma-break yan. Of course, ma-break yan, there's a possibility that they will going back to this next resistance line above. So this is the area we need to watch for BSC na ma-break na itong horizontal resistance. So I hope you learned something about this discussion. If you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box, and we will discuss about the stock market. Before I go, shout out to MSDC, MSTV Barbosa, to MH Edelhen, to my wife. Thank you very much for your support. To Engineer Evan Bilan, to Engineer Ryan Lasaka. Thank you for your support. So, ingat-ingat po tayo palagi. Bukas April 1 na 2021. So, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.